Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about online privacy for Egypt. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't really care about or just dragging this out to make it 15 minutes long, I'll straight up tell you which are the best VPNs for Egypt PC right now, and a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my whole research doc for free and dive in anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for Egypt PC and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Egypt. Why? It works seamlessly with Egypt's internet restrictions and censorship. Super important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I've tested. Low latency, no dropouts, no packet loss, and great download and upload speeds. Features, it has the most out of all. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support, great price for what you get, and support is top notch. Log policy, no logs. That's a fact. Encryption, they use the best tech available. Overall, super easy to use, blazing fast, no issues, and really affordable for what it offers. Negatives, the device limit is 10. Second best VPN for Egypt is IPVanish. Why? It's a no BS, pure performance VPN. Speed, crazy fast and stable, with consistently low latency. No slowdowns, no packet loss, smooth sailing inside Egypt. Features, all the essentials plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route just certain apps through the VPN or not. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, usually cheaper than the rest, but still delivers top-tier speed and security. Support is quick and helpful. Logs, no logs, independently audited policy. Encryption, best available, AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy geeks a bit nervous. Server network is smaller than the others too. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want solid privacy and speed in Egypt. Third best VPN for Egypt is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customizable of the three. Speed? Very good. Huge network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Perfect for Egyptian users who want reliable connections. Features? Packed with goodies, kill switch, great ad blocker, and tons of customization options. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium choice here. Support is solid and professional. Logs, no logs, proven in court. Encryption, best tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based, plus the app isn't as clean or slick as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want massive coverage and advanced features for Egypt. And that's it, my top 3 for Egypt PC. NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just by their colors or logos, you'll be fine. They all work great with Egypt's internet. Quick recap, if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall, premium features, and fast speeds. Choose IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that's great value for money. Pick PIA if you're on a budget, but want a huge server network and lots of advanced features. My job's done. I gave you the answers so you don't waste time. I put my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description so you can grab the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.